Thank you for purchasing a retention ring. To install your retention ring on your POM pepper spray, you will first need to remove the bottom cap, then take the retention ring and simply roll the cord onto the canister and then slide it up to meet the color ring. Then you can put the bottom cap back on. The retention ring will rotate around the POM canister to configure for right hand or left hand carry. The POM is modular, so if you were to take the bottom cap off and slide the retention ring off, you can take the color ring off of the POM unit and now put the retention ring in front of the color ring. Slide that back on, put your bottom cap back on, and now it sits just a little bit higher on the unit. To install the retention ring on the Sabre pepper spray with belt attachment, simply slide the retention ring over the bottom of the cylinder and up to the top of the plastic piece. You can set the retention ring for right hand or left hand use simply by rotating it around the cylinder.